Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Tiffany. Today I'll be showing you guys a little bit of a quick eyeshadow look here that I did. It's just pretty simple. I just used about 2 colors and I used a little bit of glitter for my lid. As you guys can see, this one is a lazy eye and I should have went up a little bit higher. If you guys enjoyed this video,
hit the wall.
Ooh, hit the wall good.
Hit the wall. Powder, powder, powder.